Hi everyone, this is Jana here. Welcome back if you already know this channel, and welcome if it's your first time here. So today we're going to make a chicken cordon bleu-ish, because this is not chicken, and it's my take on the cordon bleu, and it's super easy. I have simplified how to make a chicken or a seitan based mock meat, and I promise you you're going to love it. But before, I want to ask you to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell button so you get notified every time I make a video, and let's go. And we start with the basics, you know, the works. Seitan flour, which I keep saying seitan flour, you're gonna have to forgive me. It's gluten flour, I know that, but oh well. 1.5 cups. Now we're going to add some chickpeas, but hold on. If you want your chicken legs to be even more with a more beautiful color, you add, instead of the chickpeas, you can add white beans, or even better, you can add tofu. It's just if you want to be really specific about the color, and the whiter the better, if that's how you prefer, then you add those two. But that's what I had here, chickpeas, and that's how it's going to be. Now we're going to add nutritional yeast, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some pepper, salt, some vegetable bouillon, tahini. If you don't have tahini, it can be mayonnaise. Now this step here, it's optional, but I find it that every time I add this to my food, it gives this extra big U, as in umami flavor, which is MSG. Oops, a little bit too much. But if you don't like it, or if you're against it, or whatever it is, leave it out. It's just my preference. And water. And now what we're going to do is we're going to mix it for less than a minute, because I don't want it too rubbery, and I don't want it too much work done, because we're going to open it by hand.
Honey, say goodbye to this honey, 'cause I've had enough of you now. Baby, say goodbye to this baby, 'cause I've had enough of you now. So long, farewell, farewell, I'll be heading out on my own. This is the end of what we had, but don't worry, baby, I don't feel bad. Honey, say goodbye to this honey, 'cause I've had enough of you now. Say goodbye to this honey, 'cause I've had enough of you now. Baby, say goodbye to this baby, 'cause I've had enough of you now. So long, farewell, farewell, I'll be heading out on my own. This is the end of what we had, but don't worry, baby, I don't feel bad. Honey, say goodbye to this honey, 'cause I've had enough of you now.
All right, now for the breading, what I have here is a flour, plain flour, with a little bit of water. You don't need to add any spices or anything unless you like to, then feel free to do so. And breadcrumbs, like again, plain breadcrumbs. If you want the seasoned one, it's up to you. So what we do is we run this in this batter here. Now, just a reminder, all the measurements and all the quantities and everything about this recipe will be written down below or on my blog, on my website. So refer to that. And remember to use one hand for the batter and another hand for the breadcrumbs so you don't make a mess in both hands. I say that to you guys, but I always forget to do it myself. Oh well. And now we're going to proceed to wash hands and fry it. Now look at this beauty here. Look, can you see? Isn't this so beautiful? It's humongous, but doesn't matter. And of course I'm going to taste it. I'm going to show you guys how the cheese was able to melt. And ta-da! Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Looks fabulous. And of course I'm gonna try it. Super hot, but it doesn't matter because I can't wait. Super crunchy. I love it. Delicious. You have got to make this. And this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this. Don't forget, if you make this, take a picture, tag me on Instagram, and I will perhaps share it because I love when you guys do that. And don't forget to check on my merch. 10% of my profit will be donated to my local animal shelter. And this is it. Follow me on my social media. Check on my website because I have all the recipes there. Everything written and cataloged, very well organized and printable recipes. I know you guys like that. And I see you next time. Have a great week. Bye-bye.